everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to yet another video. I really hope that you all are having an amazing day. So today's video is going to be a productive day out of my August diaries and I hope that you all will enjoy watching it. So I started my day with making my bed because that automatically makes you feel 100x productive, and this was going to be a day at home, so I was like pretty chill and relaxed. I just placed all of my soft toys at their places and then finally I was done with making my bed. Then I just did put my iPad to charge because I will be using it throughout the day, so I just thought upon charging it. These are a few things that I really don't want to miss in the morning so that my day goes a little hassle free. Also guys, do not forget to stay hydrated. So I just thought after that to take a nice shower so that I'm all fresh and like all ready for the day. That was pretty much it about my morning course. It's like August, literally the 8th month of the year, and it's just 4 months for this year to pass away. It just feels so damn unreal. But yeah, anyways, I'm always vibing to August all the time. Okay, so after getting back, I just thought upon making a quick to-do list because I really wanted to make it a productive day out for myself. And the best way to do it is by obviously making things clear in your mind that what all you have to get done throughout the day. So सबसे पहले मैंने सोचा that I'll be sitting down with physics. Last night I was like doing एक lecture जो कि काफ़ी लंबा lecture है, so that will obviously take me a few days to complete, but I'm doing it like topic wise ताकि मैं उसको break करके करूँ and वो complete भी हो जाए. And that was like the plan for right now. So I just sat down with the notes that I was making side by side, and here I would like to give you a note study hack that I really use. तो जैसे कि here I was like using an A4 sheet, तो what I do is कि मैं ruler से एक straight line draw कर देती हूँ which like divides the whole sheet into 2 equal parts. तो इससे ना जो notes होते हैं वो बहुत precise हो जाते हैं and वो पढ़ने में easier हो जाता है comparatively. So yeah, that was like a tip जो कि आप use कर सकते हो, and if you are like already using it then do let me know कि is that helpful or not for you. अच्छा, so let me tell you that मैं magnetism पढ़ रही थी right here, which is a chapter in class 12. So once that I got done with my study session, I was really wanting to make some coffee for myself, so I just went to the kitchen in order to make that. अच्छा, so do let me know in the comments that do you like coffee or are you like a chai person. I तो lie somewhere in the between because मुझे दोनों ही पसंद है, and it like really depends upon my mood that what do I want to have. But yeah, most of the times that I'm studying I like to go with a nice cup of coffee because that like really makes me awaken. Hello guys, so before we like move ahead with the video, I have something really exciting to tell you all, about which I too am like so super excited, and I'm damn sure that once you will be getting to know about it, you will have the same level of excitement as mine. So India's best study platform, that is Next Toppers, has come up with a surprise for all the students who are aiming to prepare for competitive exams. And the surprise is Next Toppers Olympiad 2024. So this is like India's biggest Olympiad where you'll be getting participation certificates. Not only that, the reward is 5 crore plus and exciting prizes like laptops, headphones and many more. And you know the best thing, that in the final round you'll be getting to meet your favorite teachers, that is Digraj sir, Prashant sir and Shobit sir. As you guys know that national level exams are a little too costlier to appear, but you know this Next Toppers Olympiad exam price is just rupees 49. This is a national level Olympiad and the registrations for it has already started. This exam is designed in such a way that it will help students to prepare for competitive exams like JEE, NEET, etc. And also let me mention that the eligibility criteria is 13 to 16 years. You guys, the registrations are going to end on the 6th of September. So make sure you go and register right now. So I'll be mentioning all these details properly in the description box along with the link through which you can register for appearing in the Next Toppers Olympiad 2024. But trust me guys, this is such a great opportunity. This is surely going to be helping you so much in your academics, as well as you'll be getting chances to win prizes, as well as you'll be getting to meet your favorite teachers. So make sure you go to the link, register for the exam and participate in this Olympiad. And that was the exciting news that I had to share it with you all. So I just stepped into my balcony and I saw this really pretty view. The sky was like so beautiful. Okay, so next up I had planned that I'll be sitting with some maths. I'll be solving some questions of a chapter and basically just be practicing. So for the next month, that is September, it's just going to start with a test on the very first day, that is the 1st of September. Also guys, it's like my birthday month. My birthday is coming really soon. It's like on the 9th, and like so many of you remembered that and guessed it right in the community post. It's like my 18th birthday and I cannot digest that fact, but yeah, I am like excited. We will be seeing to that together for sure, but right now let us just focus on solving sums. So जैसे जैसे 12th is coming to an end, maths तो बहुत intense होते जा रहा है because yeah, our calculus part has already started. So coping up with that is going to be a little tough, but right now I was doing the chapter AOD, and once that I got done with that, शाम को मुझे जाना था कुछ चीजें लेने which were like important. मुझे ना एक notebook लेनी थी inorganic chemistry के लिए which has like newly started, and our teacher has told us to make separate notebooks for classwork and homework for some reason. So I didn't have a spare notebook with me, तो वो मुझे लेने जाना था. So I just went to do that, after which me and my brother decided that we'll get something to drink. So we just came to this shake place and वहाँ से I got myself a nice Oreo milkshake and he got a mojito. So we just took that and it was like a fun little outing. उसके बाद हम निकल गए घर के लिए. तो reaching home, the first thing that I had to do was to complete the first lecture का notes, जो कि मैंने क्लास में एक rough notebook में लिख लिया था because then I didn't have like a new notebook with me. But first let me give you like a little stationery haul that I got. Also बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं that where are my notebooks from. See guys, I'm like very picky about my notebook. You know, जब तक I do not find that perfect notebook, I do not take it. But yeah, anyways, मैंने ये pens लिए and I got this eraser, and that was like a mini haul. After which, as I said, I had to sit to write down my notes. So that is what I was like doing. कभी भी ऐसे नोट्स रफ में लिख के वापस से फेयर नहीं किया है. सो आई लाइक लिटरली डू नॉट लाइक दिस प्रोसेस, बट ये तो आई हैड टू डू एनी हाउ बिकॉज मेरे पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं था. यू नो, मुझे लाइक अपने सेल्फ मेड हैंड रिटन नोट्स की इंपॉर्टेंस ना 10th में पता चली थी व्हेन आई हैड लाइक ऑल ऑफ माई साइंस के नोट्स, जो कि मुझे सच में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हुआ था ड्यूरिंग द बोर्ड्स का टाइम. सो आई हैड थॉट दैट 11th and 12th में भी आई विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग टू डू द सेम. एंड यू नो, इट्स नॉट दैट आई पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स in making that. मैं क्लास के साथ साथ अपनी नोट्स बनाते जाती हूँ because then obviously right now we have to focus more on concepts, more on practicing questions and less on how our notes looks. But I feel that वो अब मेरे अंदर inhibit हो गई है that I have to make my notes at least presentable to myself, and I don't really think that I have to put in a lot of extra efforts in doing that. But yeah, anyways, right now I was just done with doing that and the plan was to wrap up my day. So मैंने जल्दी से अपनी सारी चीजें अपने पेंसिल पाउच में डाली because I had to pack my bag for tomorrow, क्योंकि the next day I had my regular classes. तो उसके लिए I just thought upon doing my bag. तो पहले के सारे books निकाले and routine के accordingly I just put in my books and notebooks. So usually ना it does not happen कि मेरा दिन इतना जल्दी end हो जाता है, but this day I had thought that मैं जल्दी सोने चली जाऊंगी. One because कल class थी and secondly because I really wanted to fix my sleep schedule, and this was like one productive day in August. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this, found this helpful in any possible way. If you liked it, then yeah, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be coming up with more such videos in the future. If you guys have got any feedbacks or any recommendations, then feel free to give that in the comment section, and yeah, I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.